British purple sprouting broccoli is in season, so make the most of it with my recipe for M&S purple broccoli tempura with truffle mayo. First, trim the ends of your M&S purple sprouting broccoli, and if there are any thick pieces, halve them lengthways. Empty your packet of M&S tempura batter mix into a bowl and add in cold sparkling water and a couple of ice cubes. The colder it is, the crispier your batter will be. Whisk until smooth, then season and whisk again. Add the broccoli to the batter and coat it well, then submerge it in hot oil for about 5 minutes. Once it's crispy and golden, lift it out with a slotted spoon and let it drain on a wire rack. Now mix together the ingredients for the truffle mayo and serve it in a little bowl for dipping. Plate the broccoli tempura on a platter along with the truffle mayo and some lemon wedges for squeezing. Sprinkle with a little salt and tuck in while they're hot. I've got loads more recipes using the best of British produce from M&S, so stay tuned for more tasty ideas.